better get about my way. This is the start of a new day. Feel fresher than toothpaste. Singing out, this be the new thing. New swing set. I'ma go for the loop, man. I'm a fruit gone loopy. That's the Sammy the toucan. Screaming out, who cares? My soul bare. I'm done with the cold.
Good morning, everybody. It's 6:37 right now. I'm really tired. It's 6:37 right now, and today we want to go surf really early, obviously. Are you surprised? Head home, maybe get a bit of work done, and then we want to go to the Botanical Gardens, which I think is going to be cool because our guests are still here. They haven't seen it, they want to see it, they have a car, so we can get there easily, and then surf some more, and maybe hang out at Waikiki. Also study a bit, just like a chill, cool day today, so we thought we might take you guys along and show you what's happening, so...
I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, too numb. Crying, getting old, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the...
Also die ganze Zeit perfekt in dir. Das ist so perfekt. Hast du es gefilmt?
Yes. We are back from surfing. It was interesting. It was still cool, it was still fun, but it was interesting, the waves, but also we went in high tide, which is never really a good idea, but it was still fun. And because we went so early, we're back and like ready to go, and it's not even 10:30, which is really cool. And now we are actually getting burgers, which is so cool because none of us have eaten yet, and we kind of just want to get going, and the burgers here are honestly so good. So we're gonna get them too, and then we want to go to the Botanical Gardens. I think we're gonna go to like the drive-through one, and then maybe to the one with like the butterflies and stuff. So anyway, it's gonna be fun, and I'm just waiting to have the burger in my belly, and then I'm gonna change into a really cute dress that I have not worn so far here, and I've only worn it once, and it's really cool. I'm really excited for it. That's what's happening. Let's go.
The way that you say my name will know, but these days, no. You say it's alright, take your space if you need a break. And if I
this is the dress that I've been talking about, which I think is so adorable. We have this like very square neckline here, and we have the puff sleeves. I'm not usually a big puff sleeves girl because I feel like my shoulders are already so broad because of like playing handball for so many years, but let me show you. It's literally so cute. And then from the back, it's like all strippy strappy. Yay! So excited. This is literally the cutest thing ever. And yeah, I think we're gonna go now. And that's basically, I think we're gonna do like the drive-through one. So we're mainly gonna sit in the car, but we have a cabrio, so we can sit in the car and see everything, which is so cool. So yeah, let's go.
Fingerprints on a broken heart. So many miles I went on a faulty start. Guilt, guilt, break, break, break. Drip, 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 drip. Guilt, guilt, break, break, break. Drip, 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 drip. I don't wanna promise too much. I don't wanna under-deliver. I am the child of a giver.
What do we think of it so far?
It's one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen in my life.
All my fear land on a hardwood floor. Somehow it keeps me here, and somehow I'm young and worn. And I don't wanna promise too much. I don't wanna under-deliver.
Hello guys, we're currently in the botanical gardens. We just went to that lake and it was actually, it's literally so gorgeous. You can stop every 5 feet and take a picture because it's literally that pretty. It's actually incredible, so nice. And the weather is perfect because it's a bit gloomy, so it's not too hot, and it's just actually gorgeous. Like it's magical, honestly. It's so cool.
I wipe my eyes. I'm no one's fool. Coming out of this, I will be new. Guilt, guilt, break, break, break. Drip, 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 drip. Guilt, guilt, break, break, break. Drip, 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 drip. I don't have to promise too much. I could never under-deliver. I am the child of a giver. I am the child of guilt, guilt, break, break, break. Drip, 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 drip. Guilt, guilt, break, break, break. Drip, 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 drip. Drip, 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 drip.
So we just got back, and honestly it was so freaking cool. The climate there was so perfect. It was so nice and cool. It was gorgeous. It looked absolutely magical. It was so fun. We took some awesome pictures. The only thing I was annoyed about is that you could not fly the drone, but honestly it was so cool. We had a lot of fun. It was amazing, but I'm so tired now. We're gonna go and take like a 20-25 minute nap because honestly I cannot do anything else before I just take a nap. So good night.
Alright guys, so we just had a big nap here. Nina was really tired.
Big nani.
She overslept like 2 alarms and I had to wake her up. Then we had some small bagels to eat and now
Actually, I just had bagels. Louis just
I
watched me
stole
eat
some
them.
of them. And now we are preparing ourselves to go surfing.
Surprise.
Tuffy.
There is a life I lead in this city, hurrying to cut my teeth. I can take what I need to get by. It doesn't make it easy. The other piece of my heart moves slow, somewhere in the great unknown. When I return from the afterglow, will you carry me like I am whole again? Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. Feeling is all gone. If I could take you back to my youth and show you what I wish I knew. My will is strong with a place to lean. In the moment I hung desperately. The other ring on my wrist is gold, pairing with the light it holds. When I return from my skin and bones, I'm remembering the words you told me. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where I belong. I want it all. I had a feeling, but the feeling is all gone. Wait, hold on, put me together, take me back where
Hello guys, post surf. It was honestly, for me, it was really good. I had such a good session. I took some awesome waves. I had some awesome rides, but there were 100,000 people in the water, so Louis did not really have the
I mean,
best
it was
time.
good for me as well. I had more fun than good waves, but that's what it's all about.
Yeah, it was honestly hella crowded, especially the first half hour. I just like kind of sat there and like watched because there was a million people, but then it got a lot better and we had a lot of fun. I really did have some amazing waves. And now Louis is actually cooking for us, which is really sweet because I need to study for my exam tomorrow. That's tomorrow? Yeah, cool. But it's in the evening, so I have like one full day. But I need to study for my exam, and yeah, that's what's happening. We're gonna have some food and then go to bed because I'm so tired. I could barely even wake up after I passed out this afternoon. It was serious.
She was that.
I was dead. So yeah.
She had like 3 times 5 more minutes.
Yeah, I like hit the snooze button, or I mean Louis hit the snooze button for me multiple times.